Oh, I just wanted you guys to see what Suzuka was just saying, but her message disappeared before the recording could start. Alright. Anyway, welcome to Dawnbreak 2, Light and Dark. I don't know, it's New Year's Eve. I'm just going to do random stuff, okay? Because I'm not going to go out on the streets, get hit by a drunk driver and get killed or anything. We're just going to kind of, hang out and have a good time. Who knows? Talk about movies. I have no idea what's going to go down tonight. I'm not going to do this stuff here, okay? Yeah, this game does try to tug at the whales, right? Definitely, you get a lot of pop-ups asking you to spend money. Pretty much this one and King's Raid does that quite a bit. Let's see. Patience? Impatient. Wicked? Alright, let's go ahead and send Wicked some points. There you go, Wicked. I just sent you some friend points. Don't spend them all in one spot. We got some quests going on. Oh, don't do that. Okay. Alright. We got some experience. Got a draw ticket we'll have to use tonight, maybe? Carnival says I've got some things done. What do we got here? We got Completa Aventura. Okay, bad translation. Okay, this is in English, right? Oh my goodness. Okay. What else we got going on here? We have I'm not going to do ad rewards because I don't want to have to. I don't monetize my channel. It's like what, a fraction of a penny per view, and I only have I think I'm up to 8 subscribers now. Like any given video I upload probably has 2 views. I'm just doing this for fun. I'm not doing it for money. I gotta work for that. Right? Yeah. Yep, my 9-to-5 job takes care of the bills, so I'm just doing this for fun. What do we got here? Fairy stuff we gotta do? We gotta, alright, we've got our, gotta rub the girl's head a bunch of times. Suzuka is kind of cute because she's all, like she's got her boobs out there, but she's like, oh, well, just don't touch me, even though I got, shoving all this cleavage in your face. Okay, well, when in Rome, do what the Romans do. Alright, dispatch, what we got going on here? We got 3 things I ticked off last night. They are now done, so I collect them. Get a couple skill books. Got a Lovey Shard. Alright, I'll take that any day. Alright, now I have to decide what to dispatch the girls on. Now, the icons for the drops on the lower right-hand corner are different from what I'm used to. So I'm not quite sure. I think these are equipment shards. I'm going to tap on one of them. Yeah. Yeah, so I think I need this. Do we have any others that have those? What is this? Uncommon equipment material set. Not sure what that means. But I know I definitely want this one. So I'm going to send 4 fairies out on this mission. Got to get those items. All right. What else? Okay, we definitely want the skill tomes. I'm going to send at least, I'm going to send 3. I want to get that 43%. That's a low percentage, by the way. It's pretty awful. And we'll do this one. Alright, so I've done my duty. It's showing a red dot over train, so I must have some points left over. Let's see. Oh, because I'm 28. I am level 28. And my highest fairy is 27, so we need to fix that. So we're going to work on Yuta, I guess. I don't know. Alright, Yuta is now maxed out. Yeah, yes. And is there... Okay, I still see a red dot, so it means I have more points I haven't spent. Let's work on a water girl. Okay. Well, I hope everybody, all 2 of you who are watching this video, hope you have a nice New Year's Eve. Best wishes for the coming year, 2019. Stay out of trouble. Don't get into a car wreck. And my cat just came over and she's starting to... My cat is starting to bawl at me. So you might hear some background noises. Hey, Wicked sent me points back. Hey. Good evening, Wicked. Alright, what are we doing now? We're going to do, before we launch into adventure, and honestly, again, I have no idea where this video is going to go. Before I start training up some heroes, let's go back into the guild, and I want to give myself a reminder of what element we are raiding against. We are raiding against a fire boss, which means I need to invest into my water heroes. And I have 2 of them. Actually 3. I take it back. I have Shirley. Surely you can't be serious. Phelan and Kikyu. Okay, I can promote her up to 3 stars. How much gold do I have? What is it going to take to promote her? I just want to see. If it's 200,000, maybe I'll spend it. 100,000. Okay, whatever. Oh, yeah, that didn't give her much of a bump, did it? Okay. So, based on what I have available... Oh my gosh. I don't want to invest in Shirley, but I guess I have to. Yeah, one of the commenters on my channel said, "Hey, Lysorn, how did you get so many characters? How did you get so many heroes?" Answer, elves. Lots of elves working overnight. The same elves work the Keebler factory. Alright, I'm about to run out of materials here. See, when you're kind of in the low levels, this part of the game is kind of hard because you are strapped for resources towards the beginning. Now, in version 1 of the game, you know, I'm flush with resources. But here in version 2, because I'm just getting started, well, I'm about a week or 2 in, I guess. I don't know, 2 weeks in? Do I have anything I can inlay here? No. Alright. Guess I gotta do co-op or Emperor Challenge. What we got else? So yeah, it's kind of hard to, when you're just getting started and trying to form an army, and you have to kind of pick and choose as to who you want to focus on. So generally what I would say, now I'm a collector, so I do have probably more characters than most people starting out would have. But I would say, starting out, if you're going to play this game, either version 1 or version 2, which I'm showing you version 2 right now, I would advocate picking 1 or 2 heroes to focus on primarily, because once you get a lot of heroes, it's kind of hard to spread your resources around. So this kind of... Now, what I do is that I tend to focus on who the guild boss is for the week, or who the world boss is. Either one of those is going to force me to kind of spread my resources around from week to week. That's how I achieve balance. The idea is that over time, you want to have a balanced team where you have at least one hero from each element maxed out and ready to go, so that you can, you can put them on a world boss, you can put them on a guild boss, whatever you want to do. But, getting started here, I mean, I'm not even level 30 yet, so it's kind of a daunting challenge right now. And also, I am having a problem with my charger. My charger is barely able to keep me at 50%. So let's see what we got here. All right, we're going to dive right into adventure. Let's see if we... Well, you know what? I take that back. Let me check the guild real quick. I think I ran raid this morning. Yeah, so I got 0 of 5 tries. Yay us. Omega on server version 2. We are in the lead a little bit. That may change overnight. Guild quest. Oh, see, I don't know if I need these items or not. Like, do I have things I can donate? Okay. Oh. Okay. Well, let's see what we got here. I gotta do 3, right? The way it works, if you do 3 guild quests, that gives you this. And you get these points, right? And these talent stones, you can then turn around to improve your character. And this is the main benefit of belonging to a guild, is to be able to hit the talents tab and to be able to spend talent stones. You see at the bottom right hand corner. You can spend those on any character you want, or any type of character. So say for example, and I'm going to do this, I'm going to do water attack up, since we want water right now, since our enemy is fire. This now applies to all of my water heroes. So I have just spent, and I've invested on all my water heroes. And the nice thing about this is this thing that we just spent on, it goes with us. So if we, say for example, if you quit the guild and you go join another guild, those talent points come with you. So the only way you can invest in the points is to be a member of a guild. But once you're in a guild, it's portable. Not like your healthcare. Oh, okay, here we go. All right, let's end that lesson. All right, I got a summon I can do. Again, this is just New Year's Eve randomness. I cut the cord years ago, so I'm not going to watch the Times Square ball fall or whatever. I'm just here to pass the time and have a little bit of fun. What do we got here? We got heroes. Any other heroes I wanted to invest in before we jump into the adventure? Oh, we need a dark hero at 28. What do we got? We got 68. Oh my gosh, my dark heroes are awful. Alright, I got Simon maxed out, but his might is just terrible. Oh. Yeah, and I just don't have enough skill books to spread around. Oh, this is just piteous. Alright, so hopefully I don't need a dark hero tonight. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to jump into the adventure. Let's see how we're working on... What is this? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're working on chapter 4. Oh, I got a reward I haven't collected yet. Ooh, we got 2 Shirley shards. Not too excited about Shirley, but there you go. All right. That's right. So last time I did the first 4 parts of chapter 4, then I just ran out of gas and I had to end it for the night. So, all right, let's go. 4, 5. Our enemy is a dark, so we need to go against the dark with the light. We need a light fairy to help us out. Oh my god, we got Yuna. And who is the next strongest? I think it might be Sumiya. So we're going to go ahead and have Sumiya in there. Give her a wind shard, wind fairy, whatever. Ooh, I have experience things I can spend. Let's go ahead and spend those. That's going to double my experience gains. So, hey, you know, if you're watching this video, you're probably bored. It's okay. You know, we're just going to go ahead and play through this. You know what? I guess I forgot. I'm going to pause. And I'll unpause at the end when we have the boss fight, or if we have any kind of dialogue. We'll see how this goes. Alright, here we go. Fire. Armor. Clarkton, not to be confused with Clark Kent. Can't have that. Come on, Astrid. Kick his butt. Let's go, Astrid. Yeah. Come on, Santa slut. Yeah, Astrid is kind of cool. Here we go. Do we get 3 stars? Yes, we do. Go, Santa. Go, Santa. It's your birthday. Oh, yeah. All right. There she goes. I gotta watch her bounce for a minute, so bear with me, folks. Well, all 2 of you. All right. Let's continue. Oh, we unlock co-op. We need that. We desperately need that. So, is the game going to force us to go into that mechanic? Oh, it's not forcing us, but you know what? I'm going to show it. So, I'm going to exit out. Oh, yep, there he goes. It's forcing us into the co-op mechanic. All right, so co-op is where you basically, it's a, you know, you're going to join 3 other random players, or, oh, you're kidding me. You're forcing me into the mechanic, but my level isn't high enough. Really? Oh my god. Okay, so I guess I'm not showing this to you tonight, unless I can, I mean, I've got a bunch of energy stored up, so I might be able to hit 31 tonight, but alright. I will shut up about co-op until I can show it to... Oh, what are you doing? Now what? Alright, I'm gonna tap. What do you want? Yes, I know how to collect my stuff. Oh, you're about to show us the spirit mechanic, aren't you? There we go. Yep. You're going to force us to go into the spirit interface. And we're not talking about the spirit of 1770. What are you doing? Why are you making me tap on the upper right, dude? Oh, you're showing me how to upgrade. Okay, got it. Oh. Except I am not going to spend everything. I'm going to hit minus. You know what? Because maybe I don't want to keep this. Really, every spirit that you have, at a minimum, needs to be level 6, right? And, well, when I say right, Those of you who are new to the channel probably don't know what I'm talking about. So I need to be able to go into the spirit screen and show you so you can see what the heck I'm talking about. Alright, so here we are in the spirit screen. So every hero, so for example, if I tap the left and right, by default, none of the heroes will have anything equipped on them. So on Astrid, we have a hodgepodge of spirits equipped, and this is actually a hideous configuration. You get bonuses if you have 2 or 4 of the same things equipped. Right now you can see in the upper left-hand quadrant, this guy right here. Alright, so we got one of these, and you notice it says 2 set critical damage plus 10% in green. You can upgrade that. Need to get it to 3, level 3, and I will get a new attribute. So you can see now it shows critical rate up 0.6. We didn't have that before. You get another one if you get it up to level 6. Now you can see it shows, now I get an attack speed plus 0.6. Everything that I pump into this spirit afterward is gravy. I'm not going to get any new attributes, but it will upgrade the attributes that I already have. Now if I pull down the one in the bottom right hand quadrant, do the same thing. So let's see if I have enough to get it up to 6. Okay. That one will also get attributes. The problem is that for the other 4 quadrants that I have, I don't have a match. They're all... Oh, actually, I take it back. I've got this defense plus 3%. Okay. But I don't have enough shards to get it up, or I guess in this game it's called dust. I don't have enough to get it to level 3 or level 6, so I'm not going to get any bonus attributes. Now, this one, 3 o'clock, and this one, 9 o'clock, do not correlate with each other and will not stack. So we won't get any really nice bonuses for them. Alright. What else? Alright, let's go back into the adventure. Sorry, that was kind of I got sidetracked. Hey, this New Year's Eve, I've probably been starting the festivities a little bit ago. It's okay. Carnival, 5th day. Oh, we got a bunch of things we can collect. Ooh, good. I think I'm going to level up. Look at all these experience. Yeah, there we go. Level up. Oh, yeah. Oh, my. I just got 2 levels. Hey, you know what? I was needing level 31 to get co-op. I'm already at 30. Alright, we might get it. What else we got here? Got this, okay. Getting closer. Might do co-op tonight, I don't know. Oh, shit, we are about 600 and something change short. And I got all that energy saved up. I have over 1,000 energy saved. We'll see if I can get it. Alright, meanwhile, we need to train up a fairy. Oh, so we need to focus on water since our guild boss is fire. Okay. And what else? I'm gonna get Yuta because we've got some Got some Sumiya going on here. And then, of course, this fairy, because she's Astrid's friend. And I guess we're going to have to go ahead and do Suzuka, because, well, she's got boobs. Got to train the girl who has boobs. Okay. We'll do one more. We'll do a fire girl. Fire starter. Alright, let's move on. Back to... Oh, come on. No, don't try to sell me stuff. No, thank you. Oh my gosh, guys. Come on, knock it off. Oh, I got a bunch of rewards. I have no idea what they are. Alright, let's keep going. Adventure. Let's go. Otherwise, this YouTube is going to be kind of boring. Alright, let's start up. Our enemy is wind, which means that we need to have, in our arsenal, we need to have a fire person. We're going to swap out Sumiya with... Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to use Leo. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Not my favorite, but hey, we gotta do it. Alright. Let's see what happens. Again, I will pause if there is no dialogue, no boss. Let's see what happens. Oh, we have dialogue. Okay. Again, I do not voice the female characters. Oh, what did I? Oh my gosh! You're gonna have to comment on my channel. Did I ever pick a voice for Koketsu? I know some of the other characters I have voices for, but this one, I don't remember if I had a voice for him. The Force. Luke. Orcs never violate their promise. If one day the orcs become in crisis. Oh, peace. Okay, the word orc and the words peace and tranquility. Did I? No, I still didn't say that right. Again, New Year's Eve. Gotta forgive me. The words orc, peace, and tranquility do not typically correlate in the same sentence. There is something wrong here. You do not understand fox women. Wait, it's important to you. What do you want? Answer, boobs. Ugh. Alright, here we go. Pausing. Alright, here it comes. Orc Rebel Sally. With a rebel yell, she cried, "Mo, mo, mo." Oh. Probably most of you watching my channel are like, what did he just say? That was a reference. Alright, here we go. We have just ended the battle. Oh, we have Monica! Oh, rush to the stage before the ceremony begins. I know. Oh. What happened? No, wait. What's it? No, I think... No. You know what? I forgot. I think the voice that I chose for the Imperial characters was Melvin from Office Space, right? Art, what happened? Ladies and gentlemen. It's so wonderful dance. Now, show your boobs. Kill. Oh. Oh, not nice. Monica, for as much boobage as you show, you're not particularly nice. Ah! Okay, that's my... Even the general public are... Oh, general public. Oh my god, that sets me back a few decades. Oh. Okay, kick you. Just gonna stare at your boobs for a little bit. Damn you, Biff. Oh. Maybe we should voice one of these characters as the McFly dad. Damn you, Biff. Oh, that would be funny. Hey, it's New Year's Eve. I'm just kind of rolling with it, okay? There's no script, all right? I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm not gonna charge you, make you watch any ads or anything. It's all about just having fun, okay, guys? All right. Enemy is light. Therefore, we need to have a dark character in the mix here, don't we? Which means Simon. Oh, no. And you get a Simon, and you get a Simon. Everybody gets a Simon. Oh, I just did a really bad Oprah Winfrey impression, but then again, anything involving Oprah Winfrey is bad. And you get a fairy, and you get a fairy. Everybody gets a fairy. Oh, God, I want to kill myself. All right. Let's try to refocus. All right. No more Oprah. We're all about... I think the whole point of this video says have fun, not have envy. I'm not gonna... Oh my god. I just started shaking my head. I'm not gonna let any man do that to me. Oh gosh. Oh, this is gonna be a long night, isn't it? Oh, and I've got how many hours left? Oh my gosh, I've got like 5 hours left before the new year comes. Man, what a train wreck 2018 was. Like in 2018, we learned that there's not two genders, not two biological, biological, right? Did I say it right? Biological genders. There's 57 of them. Yeah, thanks Facebook for pointing that out. Oh. Yeah, what a mess. Oh, we got a boss. Hey, am I still recording this? Oh, I guess I am. Okay. You know, again, I'm just doing this to have fun. Come on, Astrid. Astrid, start kicking some butt. Kick the butt of Light Hunter Damien of ill repute. Alright. Yeah, what a weird year this was. Alright. Oh my gosh, gotta draw this battle to a close. Oh, I didn't get a star. What did I miss? Oh, didn't finish in 120 seconds. Well, I can come back later after I've leveled up. It's okay. It's all good. We'll get it later. After Yuna serves us some cookies and tea, right? Okay, we still got a chest we can open. Gonna tap that. I'm gonna tap that. Oh, this is an awful video. Hey, I got some more Shirley shards, though. Alright. Level 4-8. And apparently... What are these things that I get? More equipment things. Okay. I'll take them. Okay. Our enemy is... Wind. So again, we must... swap out Simon with a light character. I'm going to have to swap him out with Leo. Luke. I think I might swap out Samia. Let's see what we got. Do we have anybody else I can do? Yeah, here we go. Okay, let's go. Yep, at this point, I'm just kind of random spitballing. It's at the end of the year, and... Oh! Enough. Let's go. Again, how should I... Tell me in the comments, how should I voice Koketsu? Right? Should I be like the deep brooding, like, enough, let's go? Or should I be like, enough, let's go? Or should I do like, enough, let's go? Or should I, do some other character? I got lots of voices I can do, okay? I can do Elmer Fudd. Enough, let's go. Oh. Can't get out of here. Forget our covenant? What the hell does that mean? You have your purpose, I have mine. Protect Kikyu is my purpose. Scat. I see. I go with you. Kikyu. Your Majesty. Your purpose, which includes quiet riots. Oh, what was that song? Quiet Riot. This is my task. No need to say sorry. Alright, I'm doing no more FUD for now. Alright, coming against Butcher Sarkar. Alright. So yeah, honestly, there's so many characters in this game that I don't remember which voices I could use for which character. It's like, I have no idea. It's like, should I use Elmer Fudd for this guy or for that guy? Alright, we got 13 seconds. Yeah, we're gonna make it. Alright, 3 stars. Okay. Excuse me, I believe that I'd ask you not to run away. Tut. I ask you to stop, please. There. More. Oh. Did I have a voice for this guy? Tell me in the comments. Did I come up with a voice for Morcott? Because otherwise it's like, I am here! You dare to make trouble! Loose formations! Not many rebels! Crush one by one! And that makes no sense. That makes no freaking sense. What does that mean? I believe that I have to kill. It's a farce. Charm spell. What happened to me? Don't idle. Defeat the rebels. Wing it on. Alright, Santa Slut, show me your cleavage. How much of this awful video do we have left to go? I think maybe one more. One more quest, maybe? Oh, yes! Alright, one more quest. Sorry, I got the hiccups. Alright. Oh, yeah, I got the hiccups. Okay, we're gonna swap out the fire guy. Oh, damn it, I can't stop hiccuping. With water. Gotta have some water. Oh my gosh, I gotta drink some water, apparently. Alright. So, oh my gosh, I can't stop. Alright, let's see how this goes. Lord have mercy. This is... Oh, I can't stop hiccuping. Hey everybody, happy 2019. Here we go. Prime Minister Salia, bad hombre, except she's not an hombre because she's a girl. Hombre S? I don't know, what's the female version of hombre? Oh, orcs. Yes. Hoot! Oh, naive. Uh-oh. Guess he got stabbed. Koketsu's knife took off by Salia. What the hell does this mean? Come on, guys. Fix the English translation and somebody help me with my freaking hiccups. Oh my god, I can't stop. Oh. Poor orc. Even if I give up myself, I have something to protect. Oh. Oh. Da, 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 da. Oh, can't stop hiccuping. I'm so sorry. Help. This is your knife. What? I'm having a hard time following the story right now. I keep hiccuping, and that's part of the problem. Boring! Boring! I'm leaving! Here's for you, General Morcott. Excuse me, hiccup! I'm angry right now. How bad are you guys? Again, how should I voice this guy? He's gonna come back, so I gotta have a distinctive voice for him. Oh, well, you know what? Hang on, his left eye. Okay, so he's got like an eye patch, which means he could be voiced as a pirate. Arr, I'm angry right now. How bad are you guys? Arr. Oh, yeah. Morcott. My knife is winging. This man is a strong enemy. General Morcott. Arr. If you stop hiccuping, I'm gonna make you swap the planks. Arr. Oh, God. I can't stop. Oh. Arr. I'd write me some more story, but it's hard to work the keyboard with me hook. Arrgh, I left me story in Davy Jones' locker. Come on, got 30 seconds left, guys. Let's go. Come on. We got 30 seconds. Let's go. Oh, I can't stop hiccuping. Oh. Oh, come on. Get him. Get him. Get him. Yes. Oh, another hiccup. Oh, my God. Oh. Oh. Tut, a really tough guy. Arr. Well, it doesn't keep sense to keep fighting. Even if the ceremony was interrupted, the demise of Goes was doomed. Arr. Hey, Monica, wench. I can't stop hiccuping. Oh, you accept the reality to withdraw your army. Army. Withdraw your army. God damn it, I can't stop hiccuping. I don't want to deal with the problem left with the scurvy scalia. I know. One day, I'll take back my country. And one day, I'll cover up my shameless boobs. Let's go. Let's tell this army to stop fighting. Don't chase the rebels. To help people priority. What the hell does that mean? Somebody explain. What the hell does that mean? Yes. Orc. Oh my God, this hurts my throat. Orc swordsman. Your sword is very good. There is a strong will. Look forward to playing with you next time. Goodbye, R. Elmer says. Calm down here soon. You just fulfilled the orc's promise. I do not think you have done something wrong. Whatever. Oh my God. Can't stop. Almost to go now. Oh, please dance. Oh, I can't stop hiccuping. Help. Oh. Look at my dance. Look at my hilly mountains. There's Astrid. Oh my gosh, what a terrible video. I'm so sorry you had to watch this. Both of you. Oh, I'm still hiccuping. Oh, this is awful. Okay, gang. This concludes chapter 4. Have a happy new year. Oh, we'll do space crack in the next video, okay? Have a happy 2019. Be safe. God bless. Take care.